You never know whether this is more than just a normal cough. Especially in developing countries, research shows that it is an important sign of many respiratory disorders, like cold, asthma, tuberculosis, and so on. Sadly, many people take this simple symptom for granted and only seek treatment when it's too late. What if something infinitely more widespread in these countries than clinics and hospitals could help out to detect a health hazard before it becomes incurable or it spreads? Smartphones have a wide penetration even in the poorest areas. Introducing Cough Warning by Samsung. Bixby, Samsung's smart voice assistant, is using data from medical studies and sound experts to classify, analyze, and recognize different sound waves of respiratory diseases. When you cough, Bixby will instantly suggest recommended medicines or an appointment with a specialist doctor. And what you need to do now is just keep smiling, because you know you're always safe.